Hey guys, how are you all? So guys, first of all, what is a thermowell? So guys, suppose you have a industrial process, that is the piping line, so in which a flow comes from one side having a temperature and a velocity basically. So a flow, we need to measure the temperature and the temperature at this particular 4 points, 1 2 3, and this last one is the fourth point. So suppose this particular flow is having a velocity of 2.5 meter per second. So basically guys, for this temperature measurement we can use this particular RTDs, or else we can call it as a temperature gauges. But guys, over here the problem is this RTD is having this minute stem which is of 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm dia, which will go inside this particular process connection, and having this 2.5 meter per second high velocity will act on this particular stem, that is the small diameter area basically. So guys, this due to this high velocity, the stem of the bimetal or RTD will bend, or the failure will occur over here in this case. So guys, to avoid this failure against the flow, the use of the thermowell is highly recommended in every process or piping industry. So this is the use of thermowell. So guys, over here you can see this is the process industry, and over here these are the various types of the thermowells which are used. The first one is the thermowell having the flanged process connection. You can see over here, this is the flanged process connection guys, and so guys, this kind of thermowell is known as the flanged thermowell. That is our first type. This is the heavy duty type, and which is used for the high pressure applications. So guys, the flange size can be vary from half inch to 8 inch. Moving ahead, next is the threaded thermowell. So guys, whenever there is a threaded process connection required, this is the threaded process connection thermowell. So guys, this is the having different threads over here that can be of the half inch BSP, 3/8 inch or 1 inch, depends upon the requirement, and this can vary like the straight, tapered, partial tapered or step thermowell. So guys, this is the particular threaded thermowell. So guys, these sizes will be vary. The next one is the Vanstone thermowell. So guys, Vanstone is having this particular Vanstone flange over there, which is fitted on the top of the thermowell. So guys, this Vanstone goes inside the process, and over here these two lap flanges which is used to cover, and so guys, so as this is can be used in the process. So this is also a type of thermowell, that is Vanstone. Moving ahead, next is the welded type thermowell. So guys, welded is nothing but simply a kind of the protection tube which can be goes into the process, and like the butt welding is carried out over here. So guys, there is the another one which is shown over here. This is the thermowell with triclover connection basically. So guys, this is the hygienic application. This is used for the hygienic application over here, which is mainly used in the pharma industry. So this will be go inside the process and will be goes to this particular mating triclover like. So guys, that was all the different types of the thermowells which is used in the piping or in the process industry guys. So guys, that was basically a small like introduction to the thermowells and what are the types of thermowells. So guys, in the next video we will see the thermowell nomenclature guys. So thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my educational channel, Engineer Academy.